Hey guys, it's Crystal aka Queen BRZ back with another video for you. So today is just gonna be a really short and sweet video. Recently I entered into a Instagram sweepstakes for HIC and I won! Which is crazy because I never win anything, but I got to pick out a new visor, rear visor for the STI, so I'm gonna be putting that on today for you guys. I know I've done an install video already on the BRZ, but now we have it for the STI, so let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we have to go ahead and clean the surface area with some cotton balls and our alcohol. And we also have to go ahead and apply the primer so that it helps the visor stick better. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so right now I'm just doing a quick test fit. The STI window visor did come with these two little support brackets here. So it doesn't come with specific instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory that the sticky side goes on the window part and the spongy side is going to be supporting on the visor so that it stays up. So it looks like everything's pretty much into place. So now I'm just going to go ahead and unwrap it all and then start applying the primer. Alright, so if you notice on the back here, you see this red tape that we're going to want to peel back just slightly. So the reason being is once we put it on, we want to be able to have some grip to peel off the rest of the tape. So I cut my nails. It's going to be a little bit difficult, but once I get it off, I'm just going to go ahead and peel back maybe about an inch. Okay, so just like that, and we're going to go ahead and do this all around. Okay, so now that we've peeled back the tape and we're all good to go with the visor, we want to go ahead and apply the primer along the perimeter of the window where obviously the visor is going to be laying. And then once we get it all primed up, we want to make sure that it's completely dry before we put on the visor. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this finished up and then we'll cut to when I'm ready to put the visor on. Alright guys, so now that it's dry, we're going to go ahead and do our test fit, and we want to be sure not to apply too much pressure because of course if it isn't fitting the way that it's supposed to, we want to be able to still adjust it. Alright guys, so I like where it's at now, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more pressure and then remove the red tape. Okay, so now that we have it all put into place, we're gonna go ahead and put these support brackets on. There's no really specific place to put them, so I'm just gonna try to eyeball it and make it as even as possible on either side of the visor. So I applied more primer where we're gonna go ahead and stick the support bracket, and I think it's about dry, so time for action. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Of course, it looks amazing, and you guys all know that I'm a big fan of the look of the rear window visor, so now I'm so happy to be rocking it on the STI and the BRZ. So maybe the Honda Civic's next. I don't know. But that's basically all we have for today. Just a very short and sweet video for you guys. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch us next week. Hopefully Sunday. We're trying to make that our regular days. But yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends. Hasta la vista, Queen BRZ out.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast.